Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to do a product review on the all-new Alpinestars SP1 V2 Full Gauntlet Glove. The SP1 V2 glove retails for $169. As of the time we're shooting this video, please understand we do not update the videos if the pricing changes, only if the product itself is fully redesigned as we have here. Who is this glove right for? This is for a sport rider that's looking for a full leather gauntlet that offers good dexterity, solid levels of protection for street riding and possibly some entry-level track days. I wouldn't rate this as a full race glove, but I still believe you could take this out there and do some track day riding with it. Sizing. I normally wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. That's what I have on in the SP1 V2, and I'm getting an excellent fit right out of the bag. Put these on, wear them in the house for a few minutes to evaluate the fit, as I have here in the office, and you'll find they start to break in almost immediately. Lots of comfort, lots of dexterity. How they get there is by using a hybrid chassis with a lot of motion panels. Full leather construction with textile used in between the fingers. That really is, it's out of the abrasion and impact zone. It wears really light. It increases breathability, flexibility in those areas. You can really feel it here in the control fingers. I love these long motion panels they're using here in the leather. We saw that on that GP Pro R3, and they've kind of carried that over to several of the other models that are new in the catalog this year. It also has a newly designed flexible knuckle protector. And Caleb, if you can zoom in right there, this is an active vent that is intended to scoop the air and drive it into the glove to help keep your hands cool, dry, and comfortable. We've got a long motion panel here. Back of the hand, you can see that stretch out as I wrap my fingers, simulating going around the bars. Little TPR detail there. A finger bridge connecting those two fingers. TPR inserts, leather overlays. This is a special fabric that is more abrasion resistant. Looks like it has like maybe some metal woven into it, kind of cool. Motion panel here in the thumb. We have a safety strap at the wrist. Gauntlet adjuster here. That has the same palm slider that we see on the higher end race gloves. I love seeing that on the more entry or mid-level stuff. It adds a lot of protection. It really belongs on the glove, and it's basically invisible. You're not really going to notice it's even there. We've got an overlay here in Clarino. That fabric stretch panel right there, we first saw that in one of their GP Pro, I think it was the R2 glove. This is awesome in these gloves. It really increases the flexibility and dexterity of the gloves quite a bit. Love to see that once again. That is derived right from the racing that they have done. All in all, what do I think of this glove? I think at $169, this is a lot of value from Alpinestars. It gives you the flexibility to do street with some track riding. This is the all-new Alpinestars SP1 V2.